when we are understanding the income method, it is important to understand the concept of operating surplus also. Basically, operating surplus is actually the combination of or addition of the four important bits, that is rent and royalty, interest and profit. So, these are income from the ownership and income from entrepreneurship. When both the incomes are added, that is both the category of incomes are added, we arrive at operating surplus. So, operating surplus is income from property, income from entrepreneurship, that is rent, royalty and interest plus profit. Here I have solved two questions from you. One is the solved one from the same book, that is Sandeep Garg class 12, and an unsolved question also, that is question number 23. So, let us see the solved question first. Here sales is given to us, compensation of employees is given, intermediate consumption is given, rent, interest, net indirect taxes, consumption of fixed capital, that is depreciation, and mixed income. We know when we are calculating national income by income method, we need to add 5 aggregates, that is compensation of employees, rent and royalty, interest, profit and mixed income of self-employed. But in this question, we are provided with a few bits and we are asked to calculate operating surplus. So, here we should note that we are having sales and intermediate consumption with us. It means that we can apply the value added method and we can arrive at GDP at MP because no other further information is given. So, gross value added at market price, by value added method we can calculate gross value added or gross domestic product at market price, both are one and the same things. So, it will be sales minus intermediate consumption. We should note that in sales we need to add the net addition to stocks, that is closing stock minus opening stock. That difference we need to add here, that is actually sales plus change in stock. But as that information is also not given to us, let us take whatever the bits are given and calculate gross value added at market price. From gross value added at market price, we can arrive at NDP at FC, and then we will be able to apply the formula of calculating national income or domestic income from income method. So, domestic income is equal to gross value added at market price minus depreciation minus NIT, that is 2700 crores. Then operating surplus means we need to deduct first and last bit because all the middle bits, 4 bits of this method will be the operating surplus. So, from NDP at FC, if we deduct compensation of employees and mixed income of self-employed, we will be able to arrive at operating surplus, that is rupees 1500 crores. Next question I have taken unsolved question, question number 23. Here we are required to calculate operating surplus. The bits given to us are bonus to employees, this is a part of compensation of employees, mixed income is given, profit, dividend and corporate tax. We should consider that dividend and corporate tax will not be taken into account because profit, which is addition of all the 3 parts of the profit, is already given to us. So, these 2 bits are of no use to us. Then rent is given, royalty is given, interest is given. So, we need to add all the bits, that is rent, royalty, interest and profit, to arrive at operating surplus. This we have done here and the value is 350 crores. So, I hope now you are able to understand what is the operating surplus.